Hey guys, so a new engine modification coming this way. Just waiting for it to come in the mail, but I'm gonna add a prize giveaway. Whoever guesses it, let's get started. Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are having a great weekend so far. So there's modification, engine bay modification, I've talked about for a little while now. And I actually was gonna go this route, but some things happened. So if you've been along for the ride on this channel for the last few years, you may know what I'm talking about. So whoever first guesses what this mod's gonna be, because you're gonna see it here in a few days, because I'm just waiting for it to come in the mail, is going to win a prize that I'm gonna give away to you guys. So the engine bay modification is something I've never installed on this car. I've never really officially had a video about it as far as even talking about it. I'm gonna see who the true subscribers are that's been along for the channel for quite some time now. There's a bunch of you guys out there that have been along for the ride for the channel for quite some time, so thank you for still sticking around, of course. But let's see how well you remember. So this engine bay modification is just what I said. It's engine bay modification. It's something that's gonna help out a lot as far as just doing normal maintenance on the car and stuff like that. But it's something that not a lot of people talk about. A few people have done. It's nothing very difficult. So it just, the price could come up as far as it being expensive, like an expensive engine bay modification. All right, as simple as that. Let me know down in the comment section below. As soon as I get the parts in, I'll do the video on it so that way you guys can see. And I'm gonna sort it from the newest comment to the oldest, so I'll go all the way to the bottom. I'm excited to do the modification, like I said, because this is something that you always have to take off and put back on. And it actually looks great in the engine bay. So it has, you know, good looks, functionality, and all that kind of stuff. I'm hoping that you guys are gonna catch on and someone's definitely gonna guess it for sure. So once we do that, then I'll do that DIY. So you'll get a DIY out of it. And of course, all the parts and part numbers and all that. So big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Stay tuned for that DIY. More to come. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Take care.